Guys who got told no during a failed marriage proposal. What happened afterwards? 1. My 7th grade teacher brought his GF to school to propose to her in front of our entire class and she said no. It was the topic of discussion almost every day that year. NBS he ended up moving schools at the end of the year. 2. I can tell you what happens when you propose and she isn't feeling it but says yes anyway because of social pressure. Very awkward sad time until you finally have the talk you should have had before proposing. 3. My mom's boyfriend proposed to her 3 months into dating. She was 40, had one disastrous marriage and subsequent divorce under her belt by that time and felt like it was too soon in the relationship to be talking marriage. He accepted her. No, but said he wouldn't ask again. And he hasn't. They've been together 25 plus years now and never married. 4. We'd been joking around about it for months, let ask sarcastically in the most unromantic way. She'd say no. We'd laugh and move on with our day. I'd apparently conditioned her so well that when I asked for real she flippantly turned me down and everyone around me either gasped or got this real awkward look on their face. She changed her tune shit quick when she actually looked and saw me holding the ring. We've been married 7